another YouTube video on my channel. So today what we are doing is we are going to the beach. So I decided to take you guys with me. It's a girls trip to the beach. It's gonna be a fun day, so I decided to make a YouTube video out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so stay tuned. So this is how I'm looking. I have my headscarf on because I'm laying down my edges, but you may call it crazy, but it's okay. But yeah, my little shoes. So now I'm going to Publix because I need to pick up a few things before I get to my friend's house. So.
Thank you for protecting us thus far. I pray that you be with us today. We give you this day. Help us be, alert, attentive, watch our surroundings. Just be with us, protect us as we travel, as we're at the beach. Have us have a good time. And just give this day to you. Once again, in Jesus' name, I pray, amen.
Amen.
Stirring up our little town the last week or two. So tell me why we been trying about this feeling. I feel it, don't you feel it too?
So we just got to the beach. It looks very nice. We're at Ormond Beach. And now we're about to get the stuff out of the car and stuff. Y'all see them back there. We about to get the stuff out of the car, and then I'll show y'all when we got everything set up.
Alrighty then.
Oh, my bad, girl. I didn't know you was recording me. I thought you were recording yourself.
So we done set up the tent, y'all. Now I'm about to take some pictures.
But, my girl, you still on that wild. Hey. It might be the end of summer, but we still mind in that place.
She's so annoying. Oh my gosh, bro, this water gonna be cold as freak. Ah! Did you just Alright, y'all, we just got out the water. Hannah back there. I'm trying to catch this ice, bro. This ice cream truck is on, bro. He gone, bro. Guess no. We gotta wait.
Turn around. Huh? You're going to go all the way across the beach, though.
I know.
You're not going to.
Oh my gosh, bro. That's so annoying. Y'all, we about to have some lunch stuff. Hannah and Bria already down here. Alright, y'all.
I'll give you things you didn't even know you want. Don't tell me that it's not enough. My time is up, you're over us. 'Cause I think I might do. Oh, there's never a
at Hannah. She ready.
I was rolling in the
Put a bit of mine.
couldn't find a place to park. Gave my keys to the bag.
Huh? You said what? Did I let my nigga? Oh, he don't listen to that mess. No, I'm not doing it. You said what? Don't do that on my vlog. I know I'm gonna have to cut the clip. I'm gonna have to cut the clip. You can't say that on YouTube. Oh! Oh, shoot! It's Anna trying to get up before the wave. What's wrong with these waves, bro? They went like this.
They got big on feel like I got a little break.
Shoot! Why are these waves bigger like this? Oh, for real.
Wait a minute.
Nah, yeah. I just want to get some footage, but let me.
There she is.
Alright, y'all, so now we had a good time at the beach. So now we are about to pack it up. Stop staring at me, real. We about to pack it up and head back to the car. Kiara and Hannah are changing the clothes and stuff in the bathroom. But we had a good time at the beach, y'all. Very fun.
I'm doing this, y'all.
Whoa. Oh. Okay, you can't do it on my video.
Why are you recording?
I love you.
Bye.